So lockdown has got me playing Minecraft with my boy, and I thought it'd be really cool if we can get some of his friends on board. And I thought a great way to do this is to set a Minecraft server up in the cloud, and a great cloud provider is Amazon's AWS. So I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to set up Minecraft on an AWS EC2 server, and so you can get your friends to come along and play at the same time. So the first thing you need to do is to start up an EC2 instance. So you log into your AWS console. You need an AWS account obviously for this. So you go to EC2, you get your EC2 dashboard, and you select launch instance. Get rid of this sidebar. Right, a bunch of different options here. If you look at this second option here, you can see here it includes various other command line tools: Python, Ruby, Perl, Java. We definitely need Java, so that's what Minecraft runs on. So we select that one. Right, unfortunately, T2 Micro is just not powerful enough to run a Minecraft game. It just keeps crashing and it runs behind all the time. The best I could find is this T2 Medium. Configure instance details. Most of these you can leave default. VPC, fine. Subnets, fine. Not to worry. Auto assign public IP. You will need this one if you want other people to access the server, or if you want to do it yourself actually. IAM role is fine. It's fine. Right, add storage. We can just leave the default storage. It's 8 GB in size. It's more than enough. Tags, it's fine, you don't need to have tags. Security groups. Now this one is key. If you want to access this, you need to set up your security groups. So we'll create a new security group, and I'll call this Minecraft Security Group. Oh, there's already there for some reason. Fine, I'll use that. And then SSH, you need to SSH into your box in order to set up Minecraft. And you will also need to, what we'll do is we'll allow all TCP connections, which is 0, this port there. And this is really handy. You can select my IP, and that way you can connect to it from your local machine. Right, review and launch. Actually, previous. Here, if we change the SSH location also to be from your own IP, you go, that locks it down to just me. You get this warning saying you're not eligible for free tier. I understand that, that's fine. And launch. Right. Create a new pair. This is your key pair. In order to SSH into your machine, you will need this. Minecraft key pair. Doesn't matter what you call it, we just need it downloaded. I've already done this before. Just get rid of that. There you go, launch. And there you go, you can see it's running. Right, this is what we want, and you can see here at the bottom here is my public IP. Now, I will need this. Right, so then we take that, we go to our terminal window. And this is the key that we downloaded. So to SSH onto our box, the default user is EC2 user, our IP address, and the key we will use is this one. Yes, that's fine. We want the fingerprint. The permissions on that file are too open. This needs to be reduced. So we just need this read at the start. So if you look at it now, there you go, you can see just the read here. And there you go, and we're in. First thing to do is to update everything. Right, the next we need to see which version of Java we have running. Right, 1.7, 1.0. This unfortunately is not the latest version of Java, and you can't use Minecraft with this one. You need to get the latest one. So we can just no. Right, and then we can actually see which versions of Java we have available. We actually need version 1.8. So you see here, we can see here, it is available here. Always sudo. And there we go, we can see now our version. Here we go, 1.8, that's the one that we need. Right, so the next thing to do is to get the Minecraft server download. Which is free, which is awesome. So right click, copy link. And we can just do a straight wget for this. And there we go. And if we just clear that, have a look in our folder. There you go. That is the server file. That is basically all you need to get your Minecraft going. And handily, on this same page, is the command required to start your server. Just change the name of the file to match the one that we're using. Now this will error, you should expect it to, and I'll tell you why. There you go, you need to agree to the end user license agreement. Now this is a file check, this is, and here it is, the end user license agreement. So if you open that file, you see you've just changed this value from false to true. And we execute that command again. Right, so the next thing we need to do is open up Minecraft. Right. Play. Right, so we select multiplayer here. This is a previous server I have. We want to add a server. Call it whatever you want. This is unrelated to your any information on your server. You go back to our AWS and just copy the IP for our server. Done. And then and you have your world. Free to browse. And there's a cow. Cool. Obviously there are loads of mods you can do with this. You can change your game mode. To creative. This is my username. You come back and you can see the game is now in creative mode. You can do lots of cool stuff. So yeah, enjoy some good Minecrafting. Thank you.